OperationGamer here. I'm gonna fucking do this! I tried 3 times last time and it didn't work out. I'm doing it! I'm gonna do this, no matter what anyone says. But first of all, we need to make a call. Because after I do complete this, after once and for all that we completely do this, we are going to do another one. Because I'm like that. Boom. Now, Tiffany's done. Aiko, we're going to do right now. Kiana, we still need to do. Audrey, Big Bitch, complete. Lola, complete. Nikki, complete. Jesse, screw you. Belly, still 3 hearts. We're going to get her up to 4. Oh, so was Q. Momo, done. And Celeste, done. So, let's make another little call, shall we? I'm gonna call Caleb. He wants me to play this game. Hello, fellow patron.
You want?
I'm back with another episode of, you know what. Right now, well, I have to complete Aiko first, but you have a choice between Belly and Q. Please choose.
Yeah, there's only one clear option here.
What?
Mystical.
Are you talking about the fairy?
No, I'm talking about a rogue elephant somewhere near Saudi Arabia. Of course it's the fairy.
Oh, Kaylin, you're so sarcastic. Alright, I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Alright, have fun.
Kill me. Alright, bye. Another one that I dread. Q! I'm gonna walk. That's it, Aiko. Prepare! For the taunt? That was weird.
Sure. I suppose you've earned it.
Oh, was I supposed to intoxicate her first? I don't fucking know. Let's do this. We're doing this.
Is this where you take all the girls? Huh?
No. You're the first one. I haven't played this in a while, so I need to get used to the controls. Oh crap, I should have upgraded my stats first. Boom. Do it! Oh, ho, 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 ho. Why am I sighting? God!
You're not gonna make me go home all by myself, are you?
Sorry. I'm good. This is how we're starting off the episode. Then we're going after Q.
Word of advice? I like to be choked.
Honestly, someone choke me, please. Here we go.
Morning, big guy.
You guys probably didn't hear it, unless I forget to censor it, but... Okay. We were told to do the ferry.
Swing by the campus later and keep me company.
I don't wanna. Just like, I don't wanna.
What up, playa?
Shut up. Just...
Can't wait to see where we end up this time.
You're the one taking me, because I have no freaking choice on where we going. Third date. Tennis courts.
I don't know much about this game. Is it anything like sex? I know a lot about that.
I'm done. Nope. Thanks, Caitlin. I appreciate it. Okay, so this actually matters. What do you like? You like flirtation. I'm gonna make this last move count.
It's too late in the game for you to be pulling the shit, bro.
Shut the hell up. Just screw you. Why, Kaylin? Why? Why? Let's just go see Belly.
Keeps it real.
Not really. I'm good. If I at least get Belly up to full heart, to like, full potential, like, that's weird.
So good to see you. Oh, are you sure? Yes, of course I'll go.
Third date with Belly. Scenic overlook.
Hey, you know about this spot too? Sometimes I come up here to think.
Like romance, I remember that. Done! See? I'm a lot better with Belly than Q. No one likes her.
Thank you so much. Everything was just perfect.
Okay. Time to cycle through a lot of people in order to get back to Q.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
Whoa! Shit! Don't make... Try to keep those dreams about me under control, alright?
Oh god, I forgot about Kiana. Whoops. And she's at the fitness club.
Glad you're here. I need a...
Sorry, bye.
Okay, have a
I need to
super
work now.
awesome day.
I completely forgot about Kiana. Son of a bitch. I forgot about her. Oops.
What's cracking?
Let's go.
Let's fucking date this shit up.
Just stop. Just don't even talk like that. Like, just, no. No, 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 God, no. Ice rink.
I love the music here. It's probably my favorite song on the soundtrack.
That music isn't bad.
Okay. Beautiful.
What? That went from 0 to 100 fast. There, are you
Alright,
happy?
you're getting good. Just don't get too cocky. No, wait. Do. Chicks dig that.
No one's just like a master. Oh, by the way, we got a new message from Belly. I can't believe I'm actually sending this. Do not let anyone see this for your eyes only. Kill me.
Hi! What a
Holy fuck, discovered your washing machine. Really nice thing. No! Just stop! Okay.
surprise!
Yep, let's go.
Yes, I'd like that a lot. I'm looking forward to it.
Yay, she's looking forward to our date. Kill me. Just kill me. All balls casino.
This is so exciting! I hope I don't get too carried away.
I could.
Excellent!
No!
Is there something wrong? Do you not like spending time with me?
That's not it at all. I'm just stupid. I'm gonna cut the camera real quick, and I'll meet you guys back when I meet up with Q.
You hanging in there, pal?
Sorry, my carrot really squeaky, and now I'm dizzy. You know what? Just for you, I'm gonna just...
Oh man, yes! You got decent gifting skills, I'll give you that much.
Strangers. Alright, I need to switch this out. Consume all quotation. That's pretty. Okay. Try that.
Good luck. I know you can be a real bitch to win over.
Really? Yeah, you're a complete bitch.
I actually kind of fit in here. I'll just pretend I'm in costume.
As long as you fit in, that's perfectly fine with me. And there was a move open right there.
Could you please just no-
I don't give a crap. I don't give a crap what you say. I don't care. That's something you want to say. I don't give a crap what you say. I deserve rest. No, I will not rest. I will not rest yet.
Hey, I didn't-
Bye. She's like, hey, bye.
Hey, hot stuff.
Shut up.
Yeah.
So good to see you.
Nope.
Have a pleasant night.
Let's do this. We're not resting until she is beat.
Looking sharp, boss. Come on, seduce me with your sex.
No. I'm good.
Hey, this is where I showed you how to play, remember?
Oh
Could you please suck more at match 3? That would be-
Yeah, I'm not getting to belly. This is like fail and repeat. Like, this is like the final boss of the level. Like, oh my god, screw the teacher. I hate it. I just fucking hate her. Let's do our round trip. Right?
shit is...
We technically don't have to go to school.
Thank God, somebody I like. Well, somebody I can tolerate. Yep, take care.
Feels good. Bye-bye.
I said I was gonna finish Q in this episode. That's exactly what I'm fucking do.
Yo, how's it going? I want good luck. I know you can...
I hate her. I fucking hate her.
I actually kind of fit in here.
Are you actually gonna give me some stuff to work with here? Cause like last time, you know, this is where I failed. They didn't give me anything good.
Make it happen. Good call.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Fuck, man. I'm super horny. Well, I guess you'll have to do.
I'm gonna stab myself in the eye because I hate my life. I hate my life. I'm doing this twice in one episode.
I'm not supposed to mix business with pleasure. I'll make an exception, just this once.
We could just like, if you really don't feel comfortable doing this, we could not. That's always an option. We could just not. Okay, whatever.
Thanks for the sex, homie.
Disclaimer. I'm not her homie. I will never be her homie. Ever, ever. Ever. I will never be her homie. I've never wanted that to be over more. So thank you, Kaylin. Thank you so much. You fucker. But I think that's enough for me. That's enough for me for this episode. The next episode, we are going to I feel like we're gonna finish everything off in the next episode. Oh. No, actually, I know there's one more character to unlock. But that means I have to complete everything. I have to complete Belly and Kiana. Though I feel like those are the last two that need to be completed. And that'll be done. Well then, there's the final character, which I'm probably going to regret for the rest of my life. Thank you guys for watching this episode of HuniePop. If you guys like this, share, like, comment, and subscribe. Do what you guys do in that YouTube. Follow me on Twitter at OperationGamer1, all that cool stuff. And everyone in the comments below, tell me how much you hate Q. Because I hate her. Isn't it funny? A lot of the girls that I date in this game, I hate. Like, let's just go to the girls. Let's just go through who I hate. Who I like. I like Tiffany. Aiko's okay. Kiana, I haven't really talked too much. Everyone knows I hate her. Lola's okay. Nick I can stand. I hate Jessie. Belly's fine. Q, hell no. Momo, and then I'm not even going to Celeste. Thank you guys for watching it, and I will see you guys next time. That was weird. See you guys next time. I will see you. Just shut up, camera, Justin. Just stop before you embarrass yourself.